In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change front wheel bearings in a 2014 GMC Sierra 3500HD 4-wheel drive. To get started, raise the vehicle up. Remove the lug nuts. These are a 22mm. Now before you remove your brake caliper, it's easiest to take off the ABS wire. Using a trim removal tool, pop the brackets out. Then you're going to be pushing up on this red clip. The easiest way is to push a screwdriver in the end here and push on the little red tab. Then you'll be pushing on this little black tab and then pull it apart. Then turn the steering wheel so you can get to the brake caliper easier. Then remove the two caliper bracket bolts. These are a 21mm. Then use a bungee cord to hang your caliper up out of the way. Then take the brake rotor off. Then remove this cover off the hub. Use a screwdriver or a pick or a chisel and work your way around until it breaks free. Then remove the spindle nut. This is a 33mm. Then make sure your CV axle moves freely in your hub. If not, you can take a rubber mallet and tap on it. Just try not to mess up the threads. Now on the back side, remove your 4 hub bolts. You can remove the 2 on the one side, then turn your steering knuckle, then do the 2 on the other side. These are a 21mm. With some vehicles, it's easier to use a slide hammer, but with this one, I just took a large hammer and hit on the hub until it broke free. You can watch by your dust shield, and if it wiggles, you can tell that it finally broke free. And once you get the wheel bearing off, clean up the surface between the hub and the steering knuckle. You don't want any excess rust between the two, or it's not going to fit up properly. Start with a wire brush, and if that doesn't take all the rust off, use a small die grinder. Just don't scar the steering knuckle. Then compare your old wheel bearing to the new one. Make sure it's the same. Then put some never sees on the splines of the CV axle. Then install your wheel bearing back onto the steering knuckle. And just don't forget your dust shield and the orientation of which it's supposed to go. Then install your 4 hub bolts. Get them all started first, then tighten them up. These are torqued to 133 foot-pounds. Then plug in your ABS wire and reinstall all the clips. Then reinstall the brake rotor. Then reinstall your brake caliper. These are torqued to 221 foot-pounds. Then while having someone hold the brake pedal, torque your spindle nut. The spindle nut is torqued to 188 foot-pounds. Then reinstall this cap. Use a screwdriver or punch and tap around the outside. Don't tap on the center of it or you will dent it in. Then clean up the mating surface between your rim and the hub. Then reinstall your wheel. Tighten down your lug nuts. These are torqued to 140 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.